All right, here it is, folks. The new 2026 Chaparral Lite 27 BAR. This has been Coachmen Chaparral's best-selling fifth wheel since it came out at the beginning of the year, and this is my last one right now. I know the 27s will be showing up in August and September. They're going to be going up in price, so you're definitely going to want to jump on this last one I got. There's the weight, there's the length, easily towed, auto leveling, tankless water heater, solar on the roof, outside shower, black tank flush, huge storage area, easy to use controls. Man, I'll tell you, rack and pinion on the slide. We're gonna swing around the back. 2-inch receiver hitch, so cargo carrying capacity right there. Backup camera prepped. It's also ladder prepped. The ladders are slick. Call and ask me about that, or better yet, just swing in. Now the reason it's called the bar, by the way, there's your two jacks are back here for the auto level. This, like you'll see in the pictures, this flips down, this one flips up. It's like an outside bar. You can hang out, bring drinks. It's got the shades that move up and down. You got the see-through shades, or you got the solid ones. All that storage is bigger on this side. Now when this flips up, it locks into here, and it's not just a magnet, it also locks. I'm gonna try to get out of the light. This locks it, so you have to push it over to unlock it, so it's not just gonna flip down in the wind and whack you in the head. Coachman's been around a long time. JBL audio. Flipping steps. Now these are extra wide. A lot of them just put skinny steps. Coachmen Chaparral, they do not skimp. 6X Azdel in the walls this year. That means Azdel on both sides, inside and out. Before I get to this cool part, I just want to show you the Azdel idea. Right behind the paneling is a layer of Azdel. Solid. You're not going to be able to find a stud because it's all solid. Both sides, aluminum framed, high density block foam. This is all solid all the way down. There is no soft spots. This is the most well-built camper Chaparral's ever come out with. Okay, now let's get to the pretty stuff, right? All right, the BAR. What's so cool about this besides the bar outside? This is brand new concept this year. So you got the shades. You can pull these all the way down and darken, or you can pull all these up so it's light. You can still keep the mosquitoes out. Comes with this cool little flipper here, the Coachmen Chaparral sign. This table doesn't have to stay like that. You could tuck it completely under. You can slide it back and forth, put it wherever you'd like it. It's on rollers. These chairs fold up. They're folders. Underneath here, flips up. There's storage under there. This is a sleeper. You got the giant TV over on this side. Look at that. I'm going to sit down. Oh my goodness. You got a giant TV over there. I think it's 50 inches. And then you got a nice big fireplace, 36 inches. And the JBL soundbar right there. Desk to hang out at if you got to do something, a little bit of work-wise, or just, maybe you put one of your kids in the corner. Here's a timeout over here for you. Windows, all the way around. Huge. Storage, look at this. Storage all the way around. Recessed lights. Okay? This TV not only comes out and swivels, but got a little hidden chick-tube. What's chick-tube mean? I don't know, but there you go. Look at all that storage back there. It's got a light. And you're going to close this. All that for that. I mean, come on. Designated garbage spot. Who doesn't love that? More storage. Microwave. Big oven. Everything's GE profile, which comes with a 2-year warranty. So all these appliances that are GE profile, including the air conditioner, have 2-year warranty. Let's say within that 2 years, the oven goes out. Whatever appliance, right, goes out, completely has to be changed. You get another 2 years starting when they put the new one in. They give you actual owner's books and remotes. You even get the hose for winterizing. Who does that? Chaparral does that. Look how huge, look how far these pull out. I mean, just awesome, right? Another storage down there. Big fridge. This is a cool fridge, right? You can open it this side, close it. You can open it from that side. So whether you're lefty or righty, you can open it from either side. Big giant bottom freezer, right? Same thing. And then on top of that, you get kind of like that China hutch and buffet thing, right? And this is your sink. Nice sprayer that comes out. The drying rack. Again, more storage, more drawers. Oh man, what a camper. I don't want to leave the living room. It's too cool. There's plugs everywhere. I mean, plugs. Everybody always like, where's all the plugs, right? Another one up under there, plugs. Back here, plug. You got no shortage of places to plug stuff in. Now, up to the bathroom. I know I'm excited, sorry. Neo-angle shower. You pop this little guy off of here. This is for travel. Or if you want to lock your husband in here, right? Look how nice that looks. So instead of just being white, it's got a little marbly look to it. Skylight. Shelves. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Hang your towels, hang your robe. Here's the controller for your tankless water heater. Even a little shelf. You know, then you can put your little smelly, or if you want to put some flowers up there, you know, whatever your thing is. Now, they're not going to hang your toilet paper roll because everybody has a different spot for that. So, and then some people don't even want it. So there's your toilet paper roll. They still give you one. Sink, more storage. Now, this is what they call, what, a Jack and Jill or a Hollywood, I don't know, bathroom where it's got 2 doors to the bathroom. And it's a slide across. It's solid. It's not just a curtain. Same with that one. So when this comes across, it comes into here. So this is in the bathroom. That's out of the bathroom into the bedroom. But this isn't another slide out. So you got all that storage. This is hanging storage. And then you have all that storage. You got under here. Let's see what's under the bed. I haven't looked lately. Oh my goodness, look at this. You got drawers under here, more storage over there, more storage under there. I mean, just places to put everything. Gas struts, extra stability. You got it double boarded so it doesn't break. Plugs back there, nightstand, lights, more plugs. I mean, just second air conditioner, right? Still GE profile with the heat pump in it. Here's the spot. TV on this wall, right? You put your TV over there. 2 entrances, one there, one here. We're going to go back out through the bathroom so I can show you the little handle they got right here. Here's all your little display switches and stuff. So there's all that. Man, what a camper. And I'll tell you, it's just such a cool layout. The 27 bar, come get one for yourself. Pontoon flooring. I could spend an hour in here talking about this stuff. I'll tell you, there's so much new stuff. The pontoon flooring is like 5 layers. The bottom 3 are fused together so nothing's going through it. Super easy to clean. Even down to the ducts. The floor vents. You don't have those metal ones anymore that bend and they catch on your socks and all the crap goes down there, and when you're sweeping, and you know, now you got these nice ones like that. So, oh look, I found another plug-in. So when Grandpa's sitting over here on the sofa, he could plug in his heart monitor or whatever. So, you know, here you go. Look at this thing. It's a little crooked. I'm gonna straighten that up. Beautiful. You can even just open it all and let the bugs in. I mean, whatever you want to do, but it does have the shades you can pull across. Well, back to work for me. I think you should come get one of these. And I'll tell you, you cannot go wrong with Chaparral. They've been around a long time, and they are solid. Thanks for watching. Come find me. My name is John, Venture RV in West Fargo. Look at all those recessed lights. Oh, man, I got to stop. Thank you.